Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You sign in with your work Microsoft 365 account. This links permissions and files. Once signed in, install the Teams desktop app for best performance, but you can use the web app for quick access when needed. Make sure to accept team and channel invites so you have context and access to files. Also set your presence and profile picture. Other people use those cues to choose how to contact you, and it improves meeting efficiency. You start conversations in chat for one-to-one or small group work, pin or mute threads to manage attention. Once done, schedule meetings from the calendar, add an agenda and attach relevant files so time is productive. In team channels, post updates and use threaded replies to keep topics organized. The Files tab stores shared documents so everyone edits the same copy. Make sure to add tabs for important apps or planners to streamline recurring. You finalize work by setting proper file permissions and sharing links to avoid accidental edits. Use version history to restore prior drafts. Record meetings, generate transcripts, and pin highlights to the channel so absentees catch up quickly. If something breaks, like missing features or sync errors, clear the team's cache, update the desktop app, and check tenant policies in the admin center. These steps solve most issues. If that fails, contact IT with error details and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.